Ever wondered how to craft the perfect shrimp cocktail? Well, today is your lucky day. This classic seafood appetizer with its succulent shrimp and tangy cocktail sauce is a crowd pleaser at any gathering. To begin, gather 2 pounds of large, fresh shrimp. Make sure they're peeled and deveined because nobody wants to deal with that while they're trying to enjoy a party. Now, bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Add the shrimp and cook until they're firm and bright pink. This should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to remove the shrimp and immediately plunge them into an ice bath to halt the cooking process. While the shrimp cool down, it's time to whip up the cocktail sauce. Mix together half a cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of horseradish, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and the juice of half a lemon. If you like a little heat, add a dash or two of hot sauce. Stir until well combined. Once the shrimp are cool, drain them and pat dry. Arrange the shrimp around the rim of a cocktail glass with their tails pointing outward for easy grabbing. Spoon the cocktail sauce into the middle of the glass. Garnish with a lemon wedge and sprig of fresh parsley. And just like that, you've crafted a shrimp cocktail that's sure to impress. This simple yet elegant appetizer pairs perfectly with a crisp white wine or a cold beer. So the next time you're hosting a gathering, remember this recipe. It's a delightful mix of succulent shrimp, tangy cocktail sauce, and a hint of heat from the horseradish. It's the perfect start to any meal or party. So the next time you're in the mood for some seafood, why not give this shrimp cocktail a try? It's easier than you might think, and the results are absolutely delicious. Enjoy!